Welcome to today's cryptocurrency news. Cryptocurrency prices today.
The price of Bitcoin, BTC, to US dollar, USDT, has increased by 0.01% to 26,525.16 on September 14, 2023, while the price of Ethereum, ETH, to USDT has decreased by -0.53% to 1,635.42 on the same day. The price of Binance Smart Chain, BNB, to USDT has increased by -1.07% to 214.8 on the same day.
Latest news.
Warbler Labs and Tugende reach agreement on loan restructuring plan. Warbler Labs has reached a loan restructuring agreement with Uganda's Tugende lending institution for a $5 million project in East Africa. The agreement aims to recover the funds, which Tugende had defaulted on in October 2021. As of May this year, Tugende's monthly interest rate was $53,400 and it began defaulting in June. Yearn launches yETH index token based on liquidity staked derivative tokens. Yearn, a yield aggregator protocol, has announced the official launch of its index token yETH. yETH is based on liquidity staked derivative tokens and includes 5 components: SFRXETH 25.89%, SWETH 25.31%, WSTTH 26.97%, ETHX 11.53%, and CBTH 10.30%. Users can deposit any combination of the 5 LSTs to receive yETH and gain exposure to multiple LSTs. Optimism to transfer 130 million OP tokens for treasury management. Optimism will transfer 130 million OP tokens between internal wallets for treasury management purposes. The company is disclosing the transaction for the community's awareness. Press release. Optimism, a leading blockchain company, has announced that it will be transferring 130 million OP tokens between internal wallets for treasury management purposes. The company stated that this is an internal planned transaction and is being disclosed for the community's awareness. Optimism is a leader in the blockchain space and is known for its innovative solutions in areas such as blockchain technology, smart contracts, and cryptocurrency. The transaction is expected to have a positive impact on the company's treasury and can be beneficial for the community as well. Mint.Fun announces Season 2 of fundrop cross-chain minting reward program. Mint.Fun, an NFT minting aggregator, has announced the launch of Season 2 of its fundrop initiative, a cross-chain minting reward program. The program aims to encourage users to participate in the minting process and earn rewards for their contributions. Telegram's new wallet launch on TN blockchain sparks controversy. Telegram's self-custodial wallet has sparked controversy, with security firm zkSync advising caution. The wallet is on the open network, TON, blockchain and has grown in popularity, with gains exceeding 1,000%. zkSync attributes the rise of Telegram bot tokens to the success of Unibot, which has increased the overall interest and demand for such assets. Telegram's new wallet offers a user-friendly interface and additional features, including easy top-up with a bank card, preferred currency selection, and effortless cryptocurrency buying and trading. The TN blockchain is known for fast transactions and support for decentralized applications, dApps, and the wallet guarantees a seamless user experience. The TN Foundation aims to bring around 30% of active users onto the TON blockchain in the next 3-5 years, supporting the widespread adoption of Web3 technology. Vista Equity Partners uses credit line to finance Finastra's $5.3 billion debt refinancing. Vista Equity Partners used its private equity stakes to finance a $1 billion preferred equity injection into Finastra Group Holdings Ltd., which helped resolve a deadlock with private credit firms over the multi-billion-dollar debt refinancing. The company used a net asset value (NAV) loan to generate the preferred equity, and it reduced the portfolio company's debt load by borrowing at the fund level. NAV loans have become popular among private equity firms for supporting portfolio companies, returning capital to investors, or financing new investments. Market Analyst discusses Bitcoin's pre- and post-halving price action. Jamie Coutts, a crypto market analyst at Bloomberg Intelligence, discussed the potential differences in Bitcoin's pre- and post-halving price action due to changes in global monetary policy. Coutts noted that while there are strong fundamentals in the crypto space, liquidity is the primary driver of risk assets like Bitcoin. He also mentioned that the ongoing tightening cycle and potential increases in unemployment and stress in the banking sector could cause more pain for risk assets. Coutts emphasized that we live in a fiat and credit money-based system, which will eventually require a return to easing. He believes that Bitcoin and other crypto assets with controlled inflation schedules will perform well when the economy starts to recover. Former Celsius executive pleads guilty to fraud and price manipulation charges. Ronnie Cohen-Pavon, former chief revenue officer of cryptocurrency lending firm Celsius, has pleaded guilty to charges related to fraud and price manipulation. He admitted to conspiracy to commit price manipulation, securities fraud, manipulation of security prices, and wire fraud. Cohen-Pavon will remain free on bail until DappRadar sentencing hearing. The guilty plea is part of an agreement with prosecutors requiring Cohen-Pavon to make restitution to parties affected by the collapse of Celsius. Ex-CEO Alex Mashinsky was charged with fraud and is currently free on bond. Celsius Network's bankruptcy case was ongoing at the time of publication. A settlement plan proposed in August will go before a bankruptcy judge in October. Matter Labs and DappRadar partner to launch zkSync ecosystem portal. Matter Labs has announced the launch of a new ecosystem portal for zkSync, managed by DappRadar. This partnership is part of Matter Labs' ongoing plan to decentralize zkSync. zkSync is a Layer 2 blockchain for Ethereum payments created by Matter Labs for scaling the Ethereum blockchain ecosystem. It currently has over 200 projects and has served more than 8.8 million testnet transactions. Matter Labs is stepping back from managing zkSync's rapidly growing ecosystem, and decentralization will come from gradually subtracting Matter Labs from the building of the tech and stewardship of the ecosystem, in accordance with the zkSync credo. DappRadar's platform will give greater visibility to dApps listed through the zkSync ecosystem portal, which should translate into more views from users and greater opportunities for press coverage from major media outlets. Matter Labs plans to fully decentralize the protocol's technology, community governance, and all other critical pieces of the network in the future. Binance BNB Greenfield Testnet undergoes Nagqu upgrade. Binance is upgrading its BNB Greenfield Testnet version to v0.2.5. The Nagqu upgrade will enhance security without affecting users' account balance. The upgrade introduces features such as stricter parameter checks for resource mirror smart contracts, a timer lock mechanism for funds exceeding 100 BNB, and authentication logic between storage providers. The developer community is also introducing new features, such as the official native SDK for all OSS-based SP, improved processing for file uploads, and optimization for user read traffic billing. Binance announced the winners of its BNB Chain Hackvolution Hackathon event. The upgrades and new features are part of Binance's ongoing commitment to delivering a seamless and effective platform for users and responding to community feedback. Bitwave acquires crypto payments and accounting platform Gilded. Bitwave has acquired crypto payments and accounting platform Gilded. The acquisition aims to enhance Bitwave's enterprise solutions, including crypto payments and invoicing features, as well as tools for tax tracking and bookkeeping. Ken Galter, Gilded's chief technology officer, will join Bitwave's engineering team as part of the deal. Gilded has over 130 enterprise customers across crypto startups, NFTs marketplaces, decentralized autonomous organizations, DAOs, miners, and accounting firms. Bitwave, also founded in 2018, offers crypto accounting and compliance services. The company closed a $1 million Series A in December 2022 to expand its crypto solutions to meet complex accounting requirements for enterprises. Bitwave CEO Pat White said recent developments on the tax and accounting side of digital assets have provided more clarity, and with more transparent rules, regulators are expected to monitor digital asset dealings more closely. Crypto markets suffer worst month since November 2022. Cointelegraph reports that August was the worst month for the crypto markets since Bitcoin bottomed out in November 2022. The downturn erased 7.3% of BTC's and 6.9% of Ether's value, causing one of the largest liquidation events in crypto. Venture capital investment inflows were also down 42.7% in August from July, with only 401 million coming in across 77 deals. The crypto industry was on the rise until May of this year, but has been steadily declining since. Cointelegraph's Investor Insights report explores the performance of various sectors in the digital asset space. Investment in the blockchain industry has been declining since the second quarter of 2022, but has hit a new local low in 2023 with 401 million. Infrastructure projects had 18 individual deals and brought in 131 million in August, followed by centralized finance with 1 million over 3 deals. Investments in this sector are lagging indicators, suggesting that investments will come back when the overall market sentiment shifts positive. European Union President announces initiative for AI startups to access supercomputers. European Union President Ursula von der Leyen has announced a new initiative to provide AI startups with expedited access to European supercomputers. The initiative is built on 3 pillars: guardrails, governance, and guiding innovation. The president referred to the EU's AI Act as a blueprint for the world and urged the global community to form a governance council similar to the International Panel on Climate Change. The president also announced an EU-wide initiative to accelerate access to Europe's supercomputers for AI startups who wish to train models and conduct research. The president praised U.S. technology companies that have voluntarily adopted AI standards and ethics, as well as EU companies that have done the same, and called for the establishment of minimum global standards for the safe and ethical use of AI.
Thank you for watching today.
Bless the audience to make a lot of money in the currency circle. It is hoped that the audience can grasp investment opportunities, invest rationally, and earn reasonable returns. At the same time, the audience is also reminded that investment is risky and needs to be treated with caution, and they should not blindly follow suit or overtrade.